big developments coming in from Bollywood, and this one involves some of the biggest names in the industry. The Hollywood Reporter India reports a closed-door meeting of the Producer Guild recently took place to address the growing dispute around Don 3. And the meeting wasn't small by any means. Industry heavyweights like Aamir Khan and Roshan were present, along with filmmakers and producers including Rajkumar Hirani, Zoya Akhtar, Shajid Nadiwala, Ramesh Taurani, Kumar Mangat and Amritpal Singh Bindra. At the center of the issue is reported fallout between Farhan Akhtar's production house, Exile Entertainment, and actor Ranveer Singh. Sources say Exile is seeking around Rs 40 crore in compensation, claiming major pre-production expenses were already incurred, sets, scheduling, planning and other arrangements before Ranveer's sudden exit from the film. On the other hand, Ranveer's team reportedly maintains that he did not take any signing amount and therefore should not be held financially responsible. They also argued that in the past, actors have not been billed for films that were shelved midway. Insiders also suggest that creative differences may have played a role. There are whispers that concerns around the script and direction added to the tension, although neither side has officially confirmed these details. What is clear is that communication broke down at a crucial stage of pre-production. The Guild is now pushing for formal arbitration to avoid the matter going to court. Sources say the body wants clearer contracts and stronger legal framework in the future so that such high-profile exits do not lead to financial and reputational damage. It's important to remember that Don 3 is a major franchisee that Farhan Akhtar revived after the era of Shah Rukh Khan, making the stakes even higher. With such a big legacy attached, the industry is keen to resolve the matter smoothly. Interestingly, Aamir Khan is said to be playing a calm, elder statesman role in the discussion, trying to ensure that the situation doesn't escalate further. Meanwhile, Roshan has reportedly denied any approach for the role amid rumors linking him to the franchisee. For now, the future of Don 3 remains uncertain. Whether this ends in a settlement, arbitration or future legal action, today's discussion could set a new example for how Bollywood handles contract dispute moving forward. The industry and fans are watching closely to see whether this iconic franchisee will bounce back stronger or face a long delay. This is Nikita Rawat and you're watching Times Entertainment.